Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So here we have started a series of thermodynamic questions from your module. So you might have seen different question number here, that is 20, it is from module. So this will be question number 4 in this series. So the question is given on the board. Let's read out. The correct figure representing isothermal and adiabatic expansions of an ideal gas from a particular initial state. So first of all, what we have to do for this question, how can I approach? So the approach should be like, you have to write the equations of ideal gas and real gas. Now you all know how to write those equations of ideal gas and real gas. So for ideal gas, it will be PV equals to constant, K means constant. And for real gas, it will be PV to the power gamma equals to constant, right? So kind of same, but it's not. So PV equals to constant, यहाँ पे PV to the power gamma equals to constant, where gamma is a coefficient, right? That CP by CV are different. So what will be P? It will be K by V. What will be P? It will be K by V to the power gamma. So can I write P is inversely proportional to V? Can I write P is inversely proportional to V to the power gamma? So tell me one thing, if pressure is inversely proportional to volume, so if I increase the pressure, the volume will decrease. If I decrease the pressure, volume will increase. Now let's check out. देखो यहाँ पे in the first diagram, the pressure is decreasing, that means volume should increase. Let me change the color. So if you just look at this, pressure is falling. Pressure is falling, so obviously volume should increase. यहाँ पे देखो pressure is falling, but volume should increase. ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है. एक तरफ से ये चारों की चारों सही है, बट हमें पता है ये फॉल ऐसे होती है, राइट? प्रेशर वर्सेस वॉल्यूम. सो ये तीनों तो होगा भी नहीं वैसे. नाउ देखो, प्रेशर वर्सेस वॉल्यूम, प्रेशर इज डिक्रीजिंग व्हाइल वॉल्यूम इज इंक्रीजिंग. नाउ इफ आई लुक एट दिस टू डिफरेंट parts, that is isothermal and ideal and real gas. So in this case you can see that isothermal के केस पे, isothermal and adiabatic के केस पे पूछा था. So isothermal के केस पे it is directly inversely proportional to volume, while adiabatic के केस पे it is inversely proportional to volume to the power gamma. That means अगर मैं gamma को increase करूँ, since there is a term coefficient gamma, so obviously pressure का जो fall होगा वो इससे भी ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे gamma term आ गया. Since gamma term is there, तो volume का जो increase है वो जल्दी होगा, बहुत जल्दी स्टीप इंक्रीज होगा. और अगर वॉल्यूम का स्टीप इंक्रीज होगा तो प्रेशर का भी स्टीप फॉल होगा, राइट? तो एज यू कैन सी, आइसोथर्मल का जो फॉल है वो नॉर्मल है, बट एडियाबेटिक का फॉल थोड़ा सा स्टीप है, थोड़ा सा जल्दी फॉल हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि वॉल्यूम भी उसी तरफ से बढ़ रहा है, राइट? सो प्रेशर का फॉल भी बहुत स्टीप, बहुत फास्ट हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. सो आइसोथर्मल का जो ग्राफ है दैट वुड बी in upper position than adiabatic graph, क्योंकि adiabatic का pressure fall जल्दी हो जाता है due to the sudden increase of volume, due to the presence of that coefficient gamma. I think you have understood. Thank you so much for this video.